Hello and welcome along, and we're nice and close and in tight today. If you haven't already, go and have a look at the tips video that will come before this, just to give you a few tips before modifying any part of your DualSense 5, because on today's we're going to be changing the decorative plate and the thumbstick rings. I have done this before, but today's a little bit different because these are all from ExtremeRate, and we're also going to be doing the thumbstick rings. As I said, stick it on 1080p if you can, just so you can have a look at a bit of a better quality. Don't worry if you haven't. All the links for all of this stuff is down below, and all you need today is this, which is the prying tool. That's all you're going to need to get all this stuff changed. If you want to go and have a look at where we change all the buttons and the triggers, and also the touchpad, they'll all be down below in the playlist. Okay, so let's get cracking with this, and dead easy. All you're going to do is you're going to start with these bottom bits here, and you're going to pry them out like that, and like that. So those two are now out, and then work all the way along there, all the way along there, and then all the way along there. Okay, till it all pops off, and then all you do is give it a bit of a wiggle, and it comes off. Okay, so that's your old decorative plate. Really, really simple. Now we're going to change the thumbstick rings. So in there, these are black. I'm going to be changing them to white. All you do is you pull the thumbstick back, and you get this prying tool under here, and you give it a bit of a pull all the way around, and literally, well, that's it. Okay, so pull the thumbstick back, get your prying tool in there, and give it a bit of a pull, and then there we go, we have that one out. Get your one you're going to put in. Loads of different colours on the website, go and have a look. All the different colours you can have. I've chosen white, and all you do is you plonk it in and just make sure that the teeth line up in there, and just press it down. Press it in all the way around, making sure all of the teeth are all in all the way around there. Okay, so again with this one, plonk it on, and just make sure that the teeth line up in there, like so, and then just press it in. There we go. All the way around. All fitting perfectly. Okay, finally, I'm going to pop this one back on. Now this is the only fiddly bit of this. It's these bits here are the fiddly bits. Now they need to fit under here. Let me use my screwdriver so I can explain this. So it needs to go above here and under here. So there's kind of like a gap in there that you need to fit them in. So hook it over the top of the thumbsticks there, and then it's just a case of wiggling it and just kind of trying to poke it in. I really can't explain it as best that. You're just trying to poke it in as best you can, like that, and then just giving it a bit of a wiggle so it fits. Okay, there we go, and then it snaps in, and you can see that it fits beautifully along there. So that's just the fiddly bit of getting it in, but it's not too bad if you just give it a bit of a wiggle and just persevere with it. And then all you're going to do is you're going to push it all down, clip it all into place. Pressing it all in, all the way around, making sure that it's on, and there we have it. So the blue decorative plate and the white thumbstick rings. Lovely. Absolutely perfect. So how easy was that? Done. Job's done. Okay, that's it now for the decorative plate and the thumbstick rings. Go and have a look at the playlist below for all the touchpad and the triggers and the buttons, and at some point the shells as well. And good luck, and I'll see you on the other videos.